In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily post videos on Pinterest. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys. I'm gonna show you all the process from the beginning, and first off, we need to open up Pinterest app. Once it is done, tap right here at this plus where it says create, and then select pin. Then head over to videos. It will open up your camera roll and it will filter all the content by videos. From here we need to choose a video we would like to upload. Just select a video or several videos at once and then hit add next. After that, we can add there some text, some music, we can draw here something, add there any stickers, all this stuff. And then also we can crop it by tapping right here. After that, to continue, I'm gonna tap add next. On that step, first off, we can pick a cover for our video. To do that, I'm gonna tap right here where it says pick cover, and then we can select a frame of this video to use as a cover. I'm gonna choose that one. Then to save it, we need to tap add done. Then we can add a title for that video. Down below we can add a description, we can add there some links, we can pick a board for that video. We can select any board from here, from our boards, and also we can create new one. And then we can add tag related topics, and in advanced settings we can choose if we allow others to comment our videos or show similar products. To continue, tap add create and it will upload video to the Pinterest and it will be shared at a board you have selected right here. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.